Hello everyone, I am Pradmesh Gupta. I am going to explain about tropical fruits database. Introduction. Tropical fruits account for approximately 75% of global fresh tropical fruit production. It is a botanically diverse group of fruit indigenous to the tropical regions. Tropical fruits are grown depending on environmental conditions. What do we mean by the word fruit? It is the ripened ovary of a flowering plant which contains the seeds. It is referred to as the tropic, which is the area of earth centered on the equator.
Types of tropical fruits. There are two types. First one is major tropical fruits. Example include mango, which is the dominant tropical fruit variety, followed by pineapple, papaya and avocado. Second one is minor tropical fruits. Lychees, durian, rambutan, guavas and passion fruit comes under the category of minor tropical fruits. Next, production of major tropical fruits. It is produced in large volume and market shares have been expanding rapidly in recent years. Global production of tropical fruits have been growing steadily over the past decade, predominantly in response to growing demand in the major producing areas. Next, production of minor tropical fruits. It is produced in smaller volume. However, market shares have been expanding rapidly in recent years. Minor tropical fruits are not so extensively cultivated and consumed. It is more limited in terms of geographical and quantitative measure than those of the major tropical fruits. Next is what is need of fruit database. With the higher demand, production and export of fruits in the recent times, there is an increase in the data associated with it. Therefore, to store all data related to a fruit led to the formation of the fruits database. It is also a useful technique for exporting the fruits in other countries by online mode, which is the already being used by many countries. Home page of tropical database. For opening the database, the user can either click on the link mentioned in the description box or can search for it on any web browser. Method. The user can search for any fruit name as per their requirement on the search bar located on the left side of home page. For example, search for mango on the search bar. After that, all the data related to mango will be opened. Features. This image shows all the related data to mango such as variety, quantity, quality, production, its processing, etc. Next is the data present for every fruit in this database includes data regarding post-harvest management for quality, market review, technical manual on the small scale processing of fruits, etc. Conclusion. It is a good database for storing and retrieving information associated with tropical fruits. The production of deciduous fruits, apple, pear, peach, plum, apricot and persimmon in Asia is limited as compared with tropical fruits grown in these countries and with deciduous fruits grown in other continents. As a result, substantial quantities are imported to meet domestic demand. Thank you for watching this video.